Nigo yarorokani buna nigo bagwetera emechando emenge ane mono chinga kiba kuburwa ebintu byo gutumika anene kera rituko korengana n'obutuki bwabere bogokorwa na borokigwa na boigo aborokya korwa ase skuru ya Grater Grace Academy nigo yenekirubuna obutaka na bwekirenge kenene kikeirire abange nonyana ensemo ya banyaruka gutaikirana eskuru ane mono chinga kichiriba gutwekegera nigo bakoba bakuburwa bitamba byobochenu korende nabo igasensemo yendagera nigo yarorokanire nigo abange babwate ubunyamasi bulinse korengana n'obutuki bwabere bogokorekana nigo babere bakurigia chinjera cyogosonsora emechande yo nabango kwariganira oroboti rote toronyora sinchira yobwikirano Omoroberio OCBC nigo oireremeri asorogongo rwa Gusii chingaki aborokigwa bagendete gwesokia na korokia obumanyi ase birengo aborokigwa kubwaterana na aborokia korwa ase skuru ya Grater Grace Academic Center nigo bakorire obolingoria ase amangana anene alia aborokigwa bekegoriegeke bagwetera gusanga nigo baerera alia banyorire na boigo ekibarengete goikerania.
Write some essays about challenges facing a teenager or adolescent person. Among us, those challenges, we found that lack of basic need, lack of sanitary towel, and nutritional diseases were the most three that affected the teenagers. Then we decided to take basic need so that we can help those who lack basic need. The main thing which made me to take this basic need is because I just found my friends who does not like associating with others.
Chinga kechio boigo ni go baba konyora machibu yemechando yabasai bagwetera.
With our acronym which is BUBU, that means buy our own, build our own. We tend to sell these things to reach 3,000 people so that they can, as you buy from us, you will build us.
Omorokia oyokora omoroberio yo nigo aenekia alebalengete goikerania.
We looked at the social challenges that these our young learners in the school and also outside the school face, and they tend to have low self-esteem because most of them lack the basic needs like good clothes and shoes for themselves. So we decided that we come up with that project so that we can help or we can address that challenge throughout the community and reach at least 3,000 learners or pupils who lack these basic needs.
Tinga kechio boigo nigo baligereria endagera igwera beye ngencho asemebere eliogwetanga kurwa sokonyora amaruire
lack of a certain nutrients, so we decided to tackle on the indigenous vegetables because they have a specific nutrients for the deficiency diseases. So anyone you can offer a seed or seedlings for so you can come for another time and take them for plantation.
Boigo mbaerera obuya bwekemerie ikyo na boigo na kichingini ikyo chirakonye gokinia obunyamasi asobombere.
Tulichagua hii mmea kwa sababu iko in high nutrients na zinamea haraka.
Haya magonjwa tuliamua na tukatambua kwa yatatatuliwa na kutokana na mboga za kienyeji zile ambazo tunakuza kwa shamba letu. Na hizo mboga tulizichagua kwa sababu zina uwezo wa kutupatia madini mbalimbali. Ya pili, hizo mboga zinakuwa kwa haraka. Vile vile kikundi kizima kilikuwa na uwezo wa kitakuwa na uwezo wa kujiendeleza kibinafsi bila kutegemea wengine kwa kuwa kutokana na mtaala huu mpya CBC.
Asensemende nigo bakoriro botuki igoro yobotaka anene asabanyaruka bakoborwa ebitamba byobochenu.
I chose this group, Female and Hygiene, to deal with period poverty by making these reusable sanitary towels and sell to those who don't have, those who are in periods.
We also researched and found out that there is period poverty. Period poverty is lacking money to buy sanitary towels. We also researched and found out that over 1 million girls miss school every month due to lack of sanitary towels. We researched and found out that Some girls in some schools use old rugs and old towels during their menstruation period.
Korende nigo baretire ebitamba byobochenu ebibirabe bigotumeka naende eliogoikera abanyaruka ao.
We decided to make this so that you can end period poverty. These are reusable sanitary towels, as you can see. It is used during the periods. And our aim is to end period poverty by making these reusable sanitary towels. And our objective is to make 1,000 reusable sanitary towels in a month. And our target market is hospitals nearby, our female staff, nearby schools, and community in large.
Omorokia okora omoroberio yo nigo aerera obotuki bakorire ase binyoro na ari babeire bakonyora.
Kenyoro kia nyabondo na binyoro bigietanaine tukanyoranga abana abange ase chiskuru na ase binyoro mbariko matukali yabo yabanyaruka mbari kwanda ase chiskuru esengenje bakoboru nebitamba byobocheni tukabeka na mabune group weiga tukariyenjera turanyako batuko bakonya tukanyora enjira yoka nokorosie ebiranga chibubiri ebitamba byobochenu bigosi bigunande byatumeka maramange.
Korende nigo baerera obuya bwo gutumeka ebitambe ebyo naboigo asense mende obebe bwabo bitatumekiri boikeranu.
Advantage of this reusable sanitary towels is fair to the environment. You can use it for over 3 years and you can wash it and dry it well. And the disadvantage is that if you will not dry it well, it can cause you renal transmitted infections.
Aboroki gwabo nigo bariganira abantu bonsi ko basira eligoikerania ebirengo Frida Kerubo, Ndizi TV.